Hello everyone, I'm Amir from Adobe class. In the last class, we learned how to open our file and how to save them with different ways. Today, I want to acquaint with the toolbar and how to manage our tools. So without no more words, let's start. First thing that we have to going on the Photoshop is creating a new document. And we learned how to create in the new document in the first class. And here it's a name I'm changing to Adobe 1. And here it's my size from our document. It's a full HD size. On the horizon, it's a 300 dpi or resolution. It's a good for printing work. If we want to work with the screens, we have to use a 72 resolution or dpi. Our color mode on the RGB and our background on the white. It's great. Let's create it. Exactly, guys, on the left side I can see my toolbar. All of our tools that we have on the Photoshop, exactly they are on the left side. Or the tools giving us many options. For example, we can crop a photo, we can make a photos or make a picture and write some text under our picture. For example, I can, if I'm holding my toolbar, I can move it to the right side or on the left side, or I can place it on the middle. I can work with my toolbar on the middle of the screen. If I'm drag it and become near to my panel, I can see one blue line active for me. If I'm release it, my toolbar will be active for me exactly on the right side, exactly next to my panels. So let me place it on the left side in the default place to explain about another subject. For example, some people love or like to customize the toolbar and make it shorter. It's too long. If you attention, it's very long. Let me to hold it here in the middle. It's a little bit long actually. If I click on this button exactly next after the close button, it will be short for me, shorter than before, and I can see my tools in the two lines together, and I can work with this on the left side, or I can use it on the right side and work with it here. And for example, sometimes we wanted to make short our toolbar, and we click on the close, and it's wrong, and close our toolbar. What we have to do, first thing is we shouldn't afraid from this. And going on the option bar, click on the window, and going on the lowest part, and we can see tools here. And we can see tools doesn't have any tick, and here it's for example like a layer tick. It's a black tick. If I'm click on the tools, my toolbar will be active for me, and I can work with my tools again on the right side or left side. For example, in the 22 version of the Photoshop, if I'm dragging my mouse under any tools, I can see one preview from any tools, and I can see how they work. If you're using from 22 version or after this version, you can see some preview from this, and I can see it because my version is 2018, and I'm comfortable to work with this version. If I'm right click on any tools, escape zoom, I can see another tools. Any tools have another tool like an under tool. If I'm click on it, I can see any tools, and here I can see a little square. It's meaning this tool activated for me. And if I'm click on this and right click again, I can see this square around this tool. Let me do in default, and for example, I can use any tools that I want. And guys, I have to say that I don't want to explain to tools to how to working now, because it's impossible to explain about the whole tool on one video. It's impossible for me, and it's better I'm explaining about any tools in a special part. For example, I can explain about eraser tool with the gradient. It's impossible, and some people will be confused. So better we explain about any part in the special part. and it's better. And for example, sometimes you want to work with eraser. For example, we can see eraser tool is here. If I'm dragging my mouse on the move tool, I can see the name of the tool. It's a move tool, and the shortcut. For example, the shortcut of the move tool, it's a V. For example, every time I'm click on the V on my keyboard, I can see the move tool will be active for me. I can work with it. For example, eraser tool shortcut, it's a E. If I'm click on the E on my keyboard, will be active for me. Any tools have a shortcut, so better you practice by yourself with your computers. I can't activate them all of them. It's taking very much time. Sometimes you want to work with the eraser exactly under the move tool. What we can do? If I'm click on this 3 button and click on the edit toolbar and the edit toolbar option, making one panel for us, and here I can change my tools places. For example, I can, if I'm going down, let me to scroll this down, I can see the whole tool that Photoshop have. And for example, let me to find the eraser. So let me, it's here is the eraser. For example, we can see if I'm dragging my mouse on the eraser tool, just I can drag this tool, not the background eraser tool or magic eraser tool, just this. If I'm dragging my mouse a little bit up, I can drag the whole eraser options. And if I'm listed here, it will be here for me. And I can see eraser here anymore. Because I'm listed here, if I'm done, it will be here for me, not again and tools. If I'm going on the up and drag the whole tools from eraser and place it exactly here, I can see it. Eraser, it's exactly down of the move tool. I can work with it here. Or if I'm click on the done, it will be active for me, and I can with the eraser under the move tool and work with the eraser here. Let me going on the edit toolbar again. And for example, I'm changing any tools, and for example like this, let me to make everything crazy. So for example, we change everything, and for example, we can disagree of our opinion and we see it's very bad. And what we have to do, if I'm going on the restore defaults and click on it, everything will be like before. And for example, I can see the eraser back on the default place and everything will like if I'm click on the done, it will be active for me and I can work with them here again, or I can make it short or long. Thank you guys for being with me until here and watching my videos. Thanks for watching.